Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. What up? What up? What up, Tris? Austin, Jim Blab, Mick? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, LSG? Oh, man. Good morning, Marie. I am going to miss your voice today. Dude, Marie, did you catch that thing overnight? I got caught. This was the move overnight on NQ. Good morning, Maria. So I didn't feel great. So I got in and I was like, I got in with two accounts and I was like, oh, I'll just put my stop here. And I should have just put it over 900. But I just like, I'll just say I ran upstairs. Um, oh, this was it. I wasn't around for the gold thing. What up, Sean? I wasn't around for the gold thing. Nah, I got stopped out. I got stopped out. Otherwise, I would have made 1,000 in two different funded accounts. I got stopped. Good morning, Discipline. Dude, I wasn't around for it. Yo, the craziest part is if you took the freaking low of yesterday's trading. Oh no, that wasn't the low low. I didn't play this. Anybody know what caused it? The craziest part, Marie, is it went below your red line. That actually did your, what you'd have anchored like right here. Yeah. Yo, Apex does need to bring back metals. But yeah, hold on, my alarm already. Hold on one second. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, it just dumped. I don't know what caused it, but something had to happen because that was an 80-point drop. I wonder as a failsafe if you only took like the high and the low, and once it got under here, you no longer went for longs until it kind of came down to its target. I haven't been caught in one of those in a while. Like I want to say like maybe 6 weeks when I didn't. just a little something different. Like if it's under there. I don't know. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking. It was a great short though. Oh man. Just looking on what I want to do. Gold's just dropping. All seriousness, I don't have like an area. Like I think we go below 5,100. I was doing something stupid in this fucking account last night. Other than that, gold was up. Don't do stupid shit, people. Take it from me. That's what happens when you're sitting on the couch. It's too late. Yo. Oh, Chris. I mean, you were up. Dude. Worst night? What, did you get caught in gold also, BK? Everyone get caught in gold? Gold didn't move after that much. Now it's starting to just dump. NQ looks like it was the big one last night. NQ just bopping around. Good morning, Monet. Snow stopped by you yet? We're about to get some more snow here. I think in like tomorrow or the next day, and then on Monday we're gonna get another snowstorm. Crazy, freaking crazy. Dude, it just doesn't stop this year. It's supposed to warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna get hit again. Yeah, I thought What happened to global warming? I feel like all winter has been below freezing. Dude, this winter just it just doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. It just keeps storms keep rolling in. I haven't seen grass since like the beginning of January. And even when I did, there was like some snow still on it. Crazy. Oh, man. Market to go sideways because I need cash now. Just looking at where we're at with gold. Man, I think gold's going down. Man, that'd be a good long, to be honest with you. Kind of have like a head and shoulders also. Shoulder, head, shoulder, come down. Right in our range. Right in our freaking range. Dude, NQ is just chopping. Yo, what up, Chris?
Order filled.
I don't like trading pre-market. What up, XRP? Yeah. Well, it's good to see you today, Chris. Oh, baby. Yo, you made a mistake. What was the mistake that you made? What mistake was made? Dude, it's like the movie star. Hi, my name's Chris, and let me tell you how I got here. Is that what we're doing? Oh. Was on tilt last night. Moved stop us so far. I went to sleep, woke up. Oh, jeez. Well, that's solid. I mean, not something I would recommend, but at least it worked out. What up, Jay Styles? Whew. I think AMD had some good news last night or this morning. I think they're up big. I think tech is getting ready for NVIDIA earnings. I think that's what, tomorrow? Tomorrow or Thursday?
Order filled.
I was just trying to see if it dumped. It's just moving so slow because it's pre-market. Whoo, man. Oh, man. Dump it. I'm just seeing where I want to get in at. I might reshort, even though it's pre-market, at 67 if it gets there. Yo, what up, Fred? What up, what up? I just realized that's wrong. Lucid's actually 50% off now. 50. Morning, Schulster. I'm just looking. The crazy part is I was going to get in this, but it was already, I missed my entry, and I was like, ah, should I chase? Should have freaking chased. Jeez, I should have chased. Should have chased. Just gold is just selling off. Oh, baby. Dude, is there news? Why is gold dumping? Yeah, you can only get 2, BK. Oh, EU expects US to ease impact of metals tariff in coming weeks. That was at 8:55. I'm just looking to see. I'm just looking to see if anything like popped off that just destroyed. What is that? Japan is probably not going to do a rate cut. Why did gold just freaking dump last night? Oh, here you go. Trump admin believes China's DeepSeek used NVIDIA's most advanced AI chip to train its latest model. Trump considers new national security tariffs following Supreme Court ruling. Bro, this guy's just got to stop. Hey, if you're up 1,000, definitely you could definitely lock out for the day. I don't have anything else that happened right around this time to cause that. Maybe the yield on 20-year Japanese government bonds. I don't see anything massive. It's almost like we're not going to attack Iran now. That's what it feels like. Gold is down $170 from 6 p.m. That's crazy. Yo, what up, Code? Dude, gold's down $170 since freaking yesterday afternoon. man. What up, Ange? What's cracking, man? Let's see where this NQ shakes out at. Good. We just got hit with a storm. You're in short on that? I was in before. I just took freaking peanuts. Took baby gains. I took baby gains. Boom, 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 boom. Man, this thing's just dropping. Marie, you're hitting that 50% line. You going to take it or are you going to move your stop down? Dude, this looks like it's not going to stop, by the way. This just looks like bear flag after bear flag after bear flag. Oh, my jeez. I might take it in this one account. I'm not even going to touch this. Holy shit. It's a pretty big freaking candle. It's a $7 1 minute candle pre market. I didn't even realize that. 31. So yeah, it's $21 in a minute. Oh, jeez. I think we're back on volatility right now. And maybe I got to reduce the size. We're back to $10 candles. Dude, they're not bringing back gold with $10 1 minute candles. I mean, that's why you got to go Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. They don't care. I mean, it is what it is. Oh, jeez. Dude, I appreciate it, man. Just trade slow. Do not leave trades in while you go to sleep. Stick to the plan. I'm just kind of curious what we're looking at here. I'm going to clean this up real fast. Just looking at price. Hey, I mean, listen, if you see your setup, you take as many trades as you want. Just make sure you see the setup. Just don't do something to do something. Damn, Marie, this thing's going to hit it. Dude, that's crazy. Another 10 points down. I wish I knew what was causing gold so I can determine if I wanted to play this or not. Come on. I kind of want to play this for a bounce. I'm going to play the open, by the way. I am definitely going to play the open. Hopefully it allows me to play it. I might take this short right here.
Order filled.
I just want to see if it hits it. We haven't gone over this green line on this whole dump. It's kind of been a guide. If you look, it's kind of been a guide. So I'm curious if it just guides us down. Being how much this moves, I will go to break even if we get to like 32. And I'm keeping it freaking tight. So I'm only 2 micros and I'm fucking tight. No, man, this thing's just fucking skipping. We get down to 31, I'm at break even, just an FYI. We open in 5 minutes. Come on. Kind of forgot that we were going to open in 5 minutes when I got in this, to be honest with you. I want to see us come right here at the 32. I don't know. I might just get out of this because we're going to open any minute. Well, probably going to get stopped anyways. Oh. Whatever happens, happens. It's not that big of a trade. If I can get $50, I'd be freaking. I can only trade 2 micros in this account, so it kind of sucks. I want to get ready for the open. We got like 3 minutes. I'm just
Order filled.
I'm taking my $44. I'm just Oh, I can't play the open and this. We're actually right. Look at that. We're right. We just hit it. I can't play that. What up, Donna? Yo, Peter, what up? Oh, hold on one second.
About this.
Yo, I just added you.
You added me?
I just
Who'd you
added
add?
you.
Okay, I don't know how to add you back to my shit. I'll figure it out.
Hold on one second. Here.
I just have to, I think I know how to do it. Okay. I could not get my kid out of the house.
I'm trying to get you on here. I'm just trying to look to see. I cannot. We said I don't want to go to school.
Pretty much. And she's like, you haven't started your stream yet. I'm like, I know, because you're sitting in here. Johnny, what's up? I'm trying to add Cove's audio. I was a little bit behind on my life here.
I'm trying to edit something real fast. There we go. Look at you. Hey, I can give you tech tips later on. I'm really bad with this stuff.
Okay. Well, now I think it's going to be duplicating me. La 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 la. Okay, I think this is fine now.
Are you using what are you using?
I brought your audio over via Chrome.
Ah.
And now it might be echoing, but I think I got it.
I hear just fine over here. Are you using Streamlabs desktop?
No. Anyway, good morning. Mark is about to open.
I know.
Like 10 seconds.
All good. I'm about to hit the open. Roll the dice.
What are we rolling? Are you on?
I can't do it that. I knew that was gonna happen. I can't click it so well on Tradeify compared to fucking Quant Tower, but Quant Tower gets delayed every morning, so I don't know what to do here. That sucks.
What do you mean Quant Tower gets delayed? Like it can't keep up with the morning action?
So I usually just click on I hold the button and you can place the orders with one click. And
oh yeah, Myth does that.
Yeah, and here I gotta like click and do this, and it always just freaking messes up. And I'm mad because yesterday, like, there's days that it works, but I'm unable to get the order in on time. Like I want to do it because I know over time it works, but at the same time, I can't keep sticking around with something that's super. The technology keeps failing me. I smashed gold last night again. I mean,
awesome.
If gold,
so you're trading Globex session for gold, right?
I trade gold all day.
You're all day gold trader now.
All day gold. I if I could, I wouldn't even touch the NQ. My
really?
Yeah, it's.
Ooh, it is dumping right now.
Yeah.
I see somebody said Barbie's here on a short day. Is that what we were talking about? The plan was to go short.
I don't know. Are you short?
I'm not. I was waiting to see if the 6850 was going to hold on ES. No.
Oh, you trade ES?
Yeah, I mostly trade ES. I think that's a lot of people don't like NASDAQ for the violence, and it's like, we'll trade ES. But then y'all go to gold.
So gold to me is just, you know what it is? There's a lot of returning to the mean. So you get these outsized moves, and it just returns back. while NQ will just keep going and overshoot where you kind of get hosed. Um, that's just me personally. Like my win rate is much higher in golds than NQ. Like I built all these Apex accounts on gold, and then they decided to stop trading gold.
Yeah, I'm pretty disappointed in the Apex situation there.
It's like just give me 4 micros. Give me 4 micros. That's all I'm asking for. I'm not asking for a lot. I mean, my funded futures is at 2 micros. And if I can get $150 in the account today, it would be my second payout in the same account. Just trading gold
Nice.
with 2 micros. But 2 micros sucks.
Yeah.
The issue is it does, so I get in on a zone. So like it's hard to get in on a zone if you can only put 2 orders in. You know, because now your zone isn't like either you're getting the top of the zone and the other one's at the bottom, and then you're only getting filled on 1 micro.
So why do you only do 2 orders?
They only allow you to buy 2 micros.
Oh yeah. Fuck.
Yeah.
Our guy who's been trading silver has been on funded next, but he's been complaining about their payout caps.
Yeah, I'm out on them. I just keep every day I go on Twitter or X, as you guys know it, and there's another guy that's just like not getting paid. And I'm like, man. And they're expensive. And I see issues. I was like, I just go take profit trader at that point. I don't ever hear anybody complain about TPT not paying them.
Yeah, I haven't heard that either. I mean, the complaint about TPT is the trailing drawdown in the pro, right? Like, is there another complaint?
It's only for $2,000. Like, if you can't make $2,000 in a trail and then it becomes static.
Okay, I have another complaint. They do have the inactivity, so you have to flip their accounts every week if you're on vacation.
Yeah, I mean,
I found 2 nitpicks for take profit. That's all we can find. 2 nitpicks.
I'm not worried about that. Flipping, not worried one bit about that.
Ooh, this is violent. I was like, I was really kind of had this idea of holding 8650 and bouncing it back up into the range. What's my new idea here? I was going, well, we're at those lows from yesterday. Let's see if we bounce that.
For that.
Otherwise, we got
yep.
86 or 6820 is the next level down I'm looking at. Whew.
Yeah, I think we're going to hit previous day low.
Well, we're there on ES.
Oh, yeah, not even close.
We got to watch that for NASDAQ too, I guess. See if NASDAQ is down there.
We got another 50, I don't even know, 70 points for NASDAQ.
Apparently, I keep accidentally drawing on my chart. I have my pen on. I see some flow here at 68.35. We'll see if that can hold it up. Anything happening on gold yet? Is that what you're trading this morning?
Yeah, I'm on both because I got to trade Apex accounts. Gold's looking like it's going to pop here. Got a little inverted head and shoulders here.
I was kind of wondering because it's down, so you're going to try to pop it back up to that median, maybe around, not up to 5,200, but close.
That's not how I really play. Like, I won't just be like, oh, I think we're going to go back up. I'm just looking at, this looks like a head and shoulders right here. So I'm going to pop.
Order filled.
Oh, shit. I just got in. Oh, man.
Yeah, Cartoon points out TPT is stable. They're not out there randomly making changes every week. That's what I was saying. Like, I was nitpicking. So my nitpick is the trailing drawdown in pro, which is temporary. And that they have an inactivity. And I forget if it's a week or 30 days on theirs. I feel like it's a week.
I'm sure I think if you email them and say, hey.
Yeah, I don't do that. I just flip the account.
Yeah, I mean, same. I can just load them all up in a copy trader and go 1 micro and then sell it and be done. Is this going to fucking stop me out? Oh, my God.
What are you in?
I was taking gold long, and I was up $60 in literally a half a second, and I should have just freaked out.
Well, that's how gold is. You're up real fast and then it all goes away, right?
I think this is gonna the break of 45 is definitely an inverted head and shoulders, which should swing us back up. And this is typically not how I play, but because I can only buy 2 micros in my funded futures, I think this might have legs to give me the money I need.
I'm still watching this low on NASDAQ because I'm like kind of wanting to try this bounce on ES here. I did get a nice bounce. Shit.
Order filled.
Shit.
Well, fuck.
NASDAQ's popping up over 756. I might take it.
It didn't quite get to where I was looking to buy it. Oh, I basically got there. I was just being a dick for a tick.
Oh, shit.
Order filled.
Yo, this is delayed. Oh, my God.
What's
I hit the button. It was delayed.
on quant?
No, fucking.
Order filled.
What do you call it? It's delayed. All right, I just hit this real. Look, oh my God, it didn't sell me out. Look, I'm hitting the button. Oh, fuck me.
Order filled.
I'm in the ES long. I'm about to take it off though. I'm probably gonna paper hands this, but that's all right.
Yo, Tradeify's got.
I just wanted a piece.
Tradeify's got a delay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I just grabbed it.
That happened to me the other day. We got news today, don't we? Minor news. Consumer confidence at 10.
Order filled.
I just took gold off for a quick $80.
Ooh, nice.
Just watch out. Tradeify's definitely delayed right now, guys.
They're saying you finally fell victim. I think we all do fall victim at some point, huh?
Shoot, I get nervous, and then I try to exit because it can go the other way, and I can't do anything about it. But it looked good because I took this fair value gap inversion at 56, but I didn't even get in. It didn't fill me for 15 points, which is a lot. I mean, I was buying 9 micros. That's $300 that I missed out on.
Here it goes. Without me this time. I want to see if... Okay, there we go. That was our weekly low. I want to see if we hold this 50 level again here. Here it goes. Yeah, I was just way too early looking at that pop.
It's going.
Now it's going. I got a little piece of it, but I didn't... I don't know. I didn't get into a full position, so I didn't get to manage it properly, so I'm not in it anymore. That was fast. I've been taking these opening drive plays like a degen.
No, actually, that's a great play when it comes down at the open. A lot of times it comes back up. And yeah, it's actually a great trade because you have momentum.
I was scared of it forever.
Oh, no.
Not anymore. It's been paying.
It's yeah, it's definitely worth it because listen, you need volume to have a move, right? So when you're gonna have the biggest move is in the morning. I mean, so
yeah, I just got so commented on my. I don't respond to comments very often lately, but I responded to this guy because he's like, don't forget you can't trade during the first hour. That's when amateurs trade, and I was like, what? What?
No, we make. So
that's what I make the money, like the money that everybody wants to make. That's what I make that. Oh yeah, State of the Union tonight. Somebody abbreviated it. I was like, what are you talking about? Oh yeah, State of the Union. That's how I'm wondering if the market wants to be a little bit sleepy. But the thing is, even the sleepy markets these days have had massive ranges. So
there's definitely money to be had here. Without a doubt, it's definitely money to be had.
We had a guy in our group a year ago who would find an excuse to not trade every day. It's like, well, the secretary or I can't even speak tonight. The State of the Union's tonight, so I can't trade this morning. It's like, what?
What are you talking about, bro?
Barbie, but there's news at 10, so I can't trade the opening range. Okay, but now the news has come out and now there's no volume, so I can't trade.
Oh,
It's like, dude.
congrats. You're not going to make any money. I mean, you try to help people out, and then, at some point you're just like, all right,
It was
man.
getting in my head too. I was like, what do you mean? Is this a bigger deal than I think it is?
Yeah, it's not. I would love, so I made, when we were swinging around in April during tariff talk, oh man, that was great. It was, you were hitting,
I did get a little shell shocked then, but I had to adjust on my bracket. So I basically first went down to one lot MES and then just like rebuilt everything.
we were looking at ES and YM yesterday, and I was like, oh man, am I going to play this? And I played YM, and of course I lost, and I was like, fuck this, YM. I'm out. But I do get why people play it. It seems to be smoother on them, but I don't know.
You know what's funny is like a lot of the old school guys trade the Dow.
Yeah,
What do they know?
I mean, it makes sense. It moves slower. I think it's probably more consistent if you probably look at it. Oh man, that gold play is just working out. If I wasn't
You're not in
down,
anymore, are you?
nah, if I wasn't down, so this is what I kind of do. All right, so I don't even know if you can
Okay,
see
I
the
just
screen.
I just had to exit another little degen long here. Holy shit. Is this thing gonna blow?
Holy shit!
Who said we were gonna go short today in your chat?
Me?
Time to shame them. Was that you?
I didn't. I just go wherever it takes me. Like some days I'm like, man, the new, like yesterday's news kind of messed me up because you had tariffs, you had the Iran shit, you had there's like three things, and I was like, man, we're gonna dump, and we eventually did, but it definitely popped early on. The fills are cleaner on YM.
Whoa.
Damn,
Whoa.
over 900.
I mean, we're up 40 points since the low.
Yeah, Nasdaq.
And apparently,
300.
did we just trigger my orb? Yeah, the orbs went long.
We're up 300 points on Nasdaq in like 7 minutes.
Yeah, that was crazy. I got a piece of that.
Yeah, I didn't hold.
That was my original idea. It just went lower than I thought. So,
I mean, I'm most definitely not. But if you look, a lot of gold is. I draw out the fibs. Like, so my bias in gold is back up. So now I'm looking for a fib retracement back into my zone, and then I'll take it. I'll take it long. And depending on how aggressive I want to get, I can shrink it or not. So it's kind of a bias thing for what I feel is going to happen.
I do have my bots long on the orb. So we'll see how that goes.
Do you wait for a retest or no?
Nope. Bot just takes it.
Just goes.
Because I'm here with you, it's gonna like probably want to do weird things, but it's been on a roll. So yesterday it didn't take the Nasdaq trade because of my risk settings, but other than that, we had a loss on the 10th. Everything else has been a break even or a win. So
I'm gonna look to short around 960.
960. What's up there?
It's gonna be the 786 retracement. I bet I can get a.
Oh, from that big candle the other day.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to get a somewhat decent of a.
I think as long as the ES holds the 68-62 area, it's looking pretty good for the longs. And we still got a little bit of room to retrace off of that, but we'll see. Maybe I can pick up another in a different account. I am long in my bot accounts. I just don't have anything long going. I wish I still had a runner. If I'd gotten full position, I'd have a runner.
Order filled.
Oh well.
I grabbed a premature biulation just a
Premature violation.
yeah.
Okay.
I want to get filled higher, but we're gonna see. I want to get filled. I want it to push a little bit more.
I think ES is looking for the 80 level right now. We're almost there. VIX just dropped.
I don't know. I don't see any like news or anything. What's up, Chris?
There's a lot of like hot
Order
news
filled.
coming up, but none of it looks too interesting. It's like Waller says that AI will not completely take out humans. Okay. Bank of England Bailey says that the inflation was roughly
Order
where they thought
filled.
it would be.
This is kind of what I'm looking for. Get a
But you know what?
pullback.
Tech is pumping hard.
Super hard. I mean, listen, do not, like I always tell everybody, do not follow this. Do not follow this. This is,
Not financial advice.
yeah, I'm willing, listen, I already know and I'm willing to take my loss where I'm at. Like I'm fully okay. In my head, I already took the loss and I'm perfectly fine with it. Like I think that's the difference between people like you know, they're not okay with losing. They just think like, "Oh, I'm just going to hit."
Order filled. Order filled.
All the time, and I just fucking donked on this. There you go, people. That was a quick 100 and something bucks.
You know what's interesting though? I was looking at an article on AI and the actual, like everyone says AI is going to take over the world. The actual AI users is such a small percentage of the population right now. Other than the people who are like using it to make funny pictures. The people who actually use it to do things is very small. It's the cutting edge people right now.
Yeah, so there's a guy, I think Chris Camilo. I think that's I don't know how to say his last name, but he's a pretty good investor, and he basically talks about how we are just at like the very tip of this AI thing. Like everyone talked about it and stocks have ran, but like we're not even into it yet. Like
It honestly reminds me of when everyone was talking about the internet.
yeah, very much. I mean, listen, if the bots look like Megan Fox, I'm okay with them taking over.
Well,
But
that's the thing. You can make your bot look like whatever.
yeah, I mean, there's a company that's rolling out bots this year. You could lease them or you can buy one, and they do basically like your laundry, your dishes, all your miscellaneous stuff, but like they're AI learning. So in the beginning, there's actually somebody in California that's moving the bot and helping
That's
it learn,
creepy.
which is kind of creepy. But once it learns,
It's really creepy.
listen, I'm not buying that one because I don't know how long that company will be
You,
around.
you want the fleshlight version, I know.
1000% I do. I saw that meme. It's like me asking my my AI robot for Roadhead for the 4th time today, and you see the robot's face like, not again. But yeah, I'm in on a robot in my house to do my cleaning and my laundry and put the dishes away and everything else. Yeah, 1000%. Look at that. It literally stopped right there at 60. Look at that shit. I missed it. Well, it went 2 points above.
Are you looking at gold?
Nah, I was looking at NQ. NQ literally. So for you guys on the stream, you could see it. Look. Literally just wicked. Boom. 960 and dumped. There's another one. Marie plays this. Basically under, it just so happens that it lines up, but under like 901, she'll short with a stop at 965, and that freaking works a lot also. The throat goat model. Oh, jeez. I think a lot of companies are going to benefit from it, but it's going to be like the .com bubble. There's going to be a lot of these AI companies that go to zero.
Yeah.
That's
Well, a lot of people just want to get involved, but the idea of making a lot of money in the industry is forward instead of the groundbreaking actual idea. You have to have an idea that solves a problem and changes something.
Oh my god, I just freaking missed gold. Look at that. I just didn't have it on my screen. But that's what I'm talking about on gold. Like that. I would have pounded that for like, yeah, I would have got some money on that one.
I
Jeez.
definitely have like gold FOMO. I haven't been trading it as much lately. I was trading it with like SK for a little bit, but I have a hard time with his scalping. It's so fast. I like these little slower setups.
Yeah, I'm probably more similar to him.
Yeah.
I'll buy it and sometimes I'm out in 3 seconds, sometimes
But
one.
he's like loading it up. He's got a range he's looking in, and he'll hit the top of it and then average in as it's in there. That's the thing. He's using a DOM too. Do you use a DOM?
Nah.
You chart trade, don't you?
What?
You chart trade, don't you?
No, I don't. No, I just click the button and put my buys in. I'm not I don't use Dom or anything like that. Um, I don't know. I just kind of like I have my order in and we're gonna see if we come down and grab it, and then I'll just leave. Like I won't look at it and just be like, all right, cool. And then I'll just be
No,
like,
he's very intense and like, oh, you missed that? And I'm like, it was 3 seconds. Yeah, I missed it.
um, yeah, no, I'm more. I definitely average into a position. Like I'm just putting my levels on the chart now. I also do that so like people can see prior, kind of like get an idea of what I'm looking for.
That's a lot.
What?
What are you looking at there?
Me?
Yeah, you got a lot of fibs over there.
Yeah, I mean, I don't delete the old ones. I'll just kind of like leave them and
It's a Fib City.
just kind of, I have a general bias on what I think we're going to do. Um and then I kind of leave them, but yeah, I mean, it caught the top today, which is nice, but
So you're a fib hoe.
a fib hoe? I like to show people my fib, as they say on this.
That's an awful lot of them. You got fibs on fibs on fibs.
Fibs on fibs. So you could play it to the upside, like I did on like I caught the bottom here, and then you can get like a confirmation, which would be right where we're breaking. Like I'll take this for the stream. I'll just do it in a let's see, I'll do it in this account.
Order filled. Order filled.
So
Yeah, my chat has voted 40% bearish today.
I think we're gonna
We're
move
kind of
around.
Yeah, we're kind of neutral right now, honestly. I mean, we made the move lower, we made the move higher.
So
Okay.
832 is technically my first TP. But I'm just gonna put some TPs
Everywhere.
around like the 50
I like to
moving
splatter them
average.
everywhere.
So, you know, oh,
Poor
man.
orb cannot get going.
Order filled.
See, and then once we start going a certain ways, so now I'm just gonna move my
Order filled.
there we go. So now I can't lose. I just took 2 off. I took 4 micros off, and now I'm at break even. So I can't lose on this trade. Final TP
Nice.
is oh man, like 776, 7756. Marie does this. I can't hold that long, but let's see if I'll keep this, see if we hit our final TP. But her stop right now is still at like 960. Like I can't do that.
She holds her stops back there without trailing it. I have a hard time with that too. I like to get my stop in profit.
Yes. And that's where I'm at. But I'll tell you what.
I don't know about that. Sometimes I really screw myself.
Ange says there's news in 4 minutes.
Yeah, it's consumer confidence and something something. Richmond Manufacturing Index.
Oh man, I'm in the middle of selling a building and freaking the back and forth has been ridiculous the last 2 months.
Yeah. If people still call me for real estate advice and real estate questions, and I'm like, I'm sorry, I want nothing to do with this right now. Like literally nothing. I'm like even dreading working on my own house right now, and I get to reap the benefits. But what's
Were
up,
you a
capitalize
were
on the
you a
alt
realtor at
today?
one point?
Yeah, I owned a brokerage
That's cool.
so I did that for 25 years.
Dude, there's some guy in the chat right now looking you up. It's like full Barbie real estate brokerage. Uh, why'd you stop? Sell it?
Because it was either that or like it's such a miserable shit work, especially during COVID. That's when I really burnt out. I mean, people are terrible. You get a bad person during a real estate transaction, and it's like, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Never want
Yeah.
to do this
How's
again.
this? Uh, I'm selling the building back to a guy that we bought it from, and uh, what sucks for him is we're selling it for double because he sold it to us in April 2020, and the guy doesn't even know how to do his taxes. He's been dropped by 4 accounting firms, so I had to get a friend to hook him up to do his taxes so he can finish. The loan is approved already, and it's just I'm like, dude, like your books are shit, and it's
Well,
just
the last one of the last guys I sold a house to, it wasn't the, and this is probably like the fourth or fifth last transaction I did. I did 2 transactions with him. There's a guy I sold multiple properties to who is in the Epstein files over 300 times,
oh, that's
bartering some
awesome.
services. And you've probably heard of him too.
Are you in the Epstein
So
files?
I am not.
Order filled.
Holy
Order
shit!
filled.
But like a guy, like I sold him his house. I sold him the lot next door. I met his 12-year-old daughter, and I'm like, meanwhile, yeah.
Yo,
And he
what?
was getting like private jet rides from his friend.
I mean, let's
I'm
be
like, oh
real.
shit.
If some guy was like, jump on my private jet, the odds are I probably would jump on the jet. And then when I got to the island, I'd have been like, what the fuck is going on over here? And I'd be like, text my friends like, yo, somebody's got to get me out of here. But he's not leaving for 3 days. I don't know what to do, but this is some fucked up shit. Hey, look, it's Bill Gates over here.
Yeah.
Shit. Yo, what's the other guy? Who's the guy in the wheelchair? Freaking yo, oh look, it's Stephen Hawking with 3 chicks. Shit, I gotta get out of here really bad. I just hit
Well,
that flash.
the emails that are in the files are this guy like bartering services,
Ah. Did
like
you
biohacking stuff.
I just hit that for $250 in 4 accounts, by the way. Gold.
Nice.
Yeah, it came down, hit my
I didn't
level.
take the short. I've been waiting to kind of see what happens down here.
No, I took the long.
Oh, you took a long.
That when that flashed down, it literally hit my buy level and bounced right back up.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
So you put your buys right on the fibs and just take some points off of that, huh?
Yeah, I just took 38 to I just took $6 on gold with like man, probably like 20 or 24 micros in like 4 accounts. Yeah. That's it. Like you could be done. Like honestly, you could be done for the day with one trade like that. $252 in each account.
Yep. Of course, I added an account to my Orbot today, so that one's got to be down. Like I knew that was going to happen. That always happens.
I'm about to get filled right here. I'm glad I made it. I spent all night on the bathroom floor, by the way.
Why?
I felt like complete. I think I got food poisoning last night.
I was like, I don't think you're partying that hard these days, are
Nah,
you?
food poisoning. I think I had bad. I had bad meat last night at someone's house.
Don't go eating their food again.
Oh,
Yeah, I was with some mom friends the other day, and they're like showing pictures of their animals, and they're like, "Isn't this so cute? If we don't have fruit in the fruit bowl, the cat sleeps in it." And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm not eating at your house anymore."
yeah, it's gross. You getting in a long, Ange?
I was kind of wondering. So ES really bounced the 6850. I should have had an order there, but I didn't. I'm not into the scalps today. I think I don't want to go fast. I want to go slow. But yeah, there was definitely a good little scalp there at 6850. Missed the hell out of that. 10 points, basically.
See, this NQ is still selling off from.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean, we're down at 55, 40, 48 now.
We'll see. ES held an important spot, so we'll see if they bring it up or if they're gonna. I mean, what else are they gonna do? Is this our range now? We can basically run the low or the high again.
What is that? 129. I'm just looking to see. 34 on gold. 26.
Yeah, you can't have cats walking around in your kitchen. My cat does that. My cats think it's funny to break the rules, so they do that, and they look around and wait to get yelled at as soon as they put their paws on the counter.
Yeah, I'm not. I mean, I don't have any animals in the house, but I grew up with dogs, and they were allowed some leniency, but they were not on my freaking food.
Yeah.
You know, the couch is where sometimes they were allowed, and
Well,
I
mine can sit on the couch, but they have to sit on their blankets, and they know they'll look first. Like, is there a blanket in my spot?
yeah, I'm allergic to some cats, so I can't do cats because if I get it here and I'm allergic, I'm gonna have to.
Oh, I didn't ask for a cat. They show up.
You know what's funny is you remind me of so my neighbor has 3 cats at their house, but they're all outdoor cats. And they also have 2
Well,
dogs that are outdoor dogs. And what they do is they leave the garage door open all year round. And there's like a small little heater in there. And that's it. The garage is obviously insulated. The door is open, so there's fresh air. And yeah, and the cats go and eat mice and shit because I live in like a very wooded area. And
yeah, that was the idea. Is the cats were gonna go out and eat the mice, but they're all in my house.
no, yeah, no, these things stay outside. Bull Barbie, you aiming for 200-point TP? Kyle asked.
What I do?
If you're aiming for a 200-point TP, I don't know if you're.
Am I? Yeah, why not?
Hell yeah!
So that's my orb trade. It's on micros. So it's literally in 1 micros. I had that set to take $300 of risk. So it allowed one yesterday. I didn't get one. They're both down right now, but we'll see. That's my little orb bot. So like I said, it's Murphy's Law of Trading. I put that on a new account today, so it'll probably lose.
Always. Always, always. I mean.
Oh, here we go. Getting a little pop.
Man, that was
They're buying the shit out of the 64s. I think they're going to pop it over.
That was just 40 points on NQ to the upside.
That's what I'm saying. Like, everyone's like, well, how do you trade with like these big ass stop losses? It's like, well, you just scale down because we're getting big ass ranges. You still have to be able to trade it. Scale down.
Yeah, you just use less contracts. I mean, it's the same thing. I was thinking about scaling down on gold to only 3 or 2 micros because we were moving like this, but I did.
So where are you trading your gold micros?
TPT, Lucid. I'm gonna hook up Trader's Launch, and I'm eventually. Oh, and I trade 2 micros in my funded futures. My funded futures one is like completely separate because I can't copy trade because if I have more than if I have more than 2 orders in, when I sell the third order in the lead account, it then turns my fund of futures and goes short.
Hmm.
Because
That's weird.
well, no, because if you have 3 buys to buy one each, it buys, but then the third buy doesn't buy in my fund of futures. But then when you go to
Oh,
sell,
because yeah, I see what you mean.
yeah, and then all
So
of a
some
sudden,
trade copiers will have max positions. I'm trying to. So I'm using the affordable indicators one. I think it does that, where you can have a max position, then it'll ignore.
yeah, I don't. I tried to hook
That's
that
what
one
you
up.
need.
I tried to look that one up, and it was.
I got it a couple months ago, and I still don't know how to use it all because it has a lot of features.
I know. I spoke to the guy. He reached out and was like, "Hey, you want to use this? Whatever, whatever." I just love Replicanto. It's just so easy.
Well, I run on 2 systems. The one that I'm showing on my screen is my bot system. I just literally run all my bots on it. That one has Replicanto on it. But when I set up my new laptop, I wanted to try something else, especially because I get overwhelmed by all the prop accounts. I know you run a lot of prop accounts too.
Yeah.
And I think you just copied all of them, but I like kind of managing groups. So this one's my NASDAQ group and this one's my ES group. And having the affordable indicators one makes that a little bit easier because I can kind of have different tabs. I guess you can do that on Replicanto too, but I don't know. It's working a little bit better for me just with my setup. If you're doing straight up copying, I think the Replicanto is way more simple.
Order filled.
I'm gonna scalp this to the upside real quick.
Yeah, I've been having to do that too. Just
Order filled.
when we bounce off of the 50. Oh, I didn't take my profit order right there. I missed by a tick.
Order filled.
Go back.
Order filled. Order filled.
See, I want to get up to like 66 something. That was kind of a weird place to put my take profit, actually. There it is. That one's taken.
Boom. You're becoming a.
This time I'm in a runner, so I'm going to try to run it up to the highs. We'll see.
Looper says he misses Sean, but a couple other people are loving you in the chat, Barbie.
Well, maybe we can. I'll share with Sean sometime. We can make that happen. I'll share Cove.
There's like a group of people that call. I don't know if it's one person with a bunch of different names, but Sean has a group of hecklers in here. It's kind of funny. I find it funny because I get hecklers all the time, so it's like whatever to me, like, But I was like, dude, this is what I deal with every day. Like,
I have one main heckler. He's banned from my channel now. I got tired of it, but
I love the trolls.
He said that he's been saying the same thing for 3 years. It's like, get some new material, dude.
Nah, I warned them. I say, listen, if you don't say something funny and good, I'm gonna boot you. But like, you gotta come with it. I said, just take a couple minutes, think about it, and give me like something that I'm gonna be like, man, that's pretty good. Like, I want to hear it. I don't want to hear some BS like, oh, you can't trade. I'm like, come on, man. Like, that's not funny. Make me laugh.
He calls me old. It's like I'm trying to act like I'm 16 or whatever. It's like, fucking no, I'm not. But man, I like my bank account a lot better. I don't want to go back and be 16. I was 16. I had $500.
Yo, guys, we need a vote. By the way,
what are we voting for?
Is this thumbnail better, or
yeah, he made one and I made one,
or is this thumbnail better? 1 or 2? Put it in the chat. Which one you like better? This is number 2. I had a whole debate with somebody that you have red hair or not. It is red,
people
right?
have the same debate with me too. Most people say I have red hair. Some people say I have blonde hair. My hair's been crazy today. Most people say I have red.
What's up, Pamela?
What do you think? Red or blonde? I just say strawberry blonde.
Yeah, it's probably a good one.
Makes everybody happy.
I had to pick a thing when I was Chat GPT. 2 is divorce material. What's up, Richard?
Well, I had to explain to my AI what to do with you, and I just told it to put a hat and sunglasses.
So in the summertime, well, I have I take the top off my Jeep and I drive around. Mostly I have black sunglasses on. I've, the majority of the time, sunglasses, hat. I use, and it, like in April, May, it's great because I got shorts on with a hoodie and it's like the perfect, it's like cool out, but the heat's hitting you in the Jeep and it's like, oh man, that's what I look like though. Most of
Yeah,
this
well, I've got the convertible, so that's what we do. Top off.
top off.
The only thing is, though, I don't know what the heater buttons do, and I don't think they work right.
Oh,
The
and
heater
yours?
works.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the heater works, but I don't know what the buttons do. There's just pictures. And so I just push them until hot air starts coming out. I don't actually know what I'm doing. Might need to have somebody help me with it.
But I wish I had an old one. I don't. So
In my truck, it works great. I've got I have a 71 F250, and that one did not work, but I put AC in it with a brand new heater core. That gets so hot.
That's how my Jeep is shot. So I never had a Jeep. I never driven one before. I just got one randomly one night. And I was like, man, the fucking heat on this thing is so hot. But I want to get one of the older ones because they look cooler. Like, like an 80s, or I would even do like an old Defender, but they're freaking expensive.
My 14-year-old wants a Jeep.
Got to get the one
I
where
imagine
like
we'll get one.
you can just drive in the rain. It's no big deal. Like I had a friend had an old one. He basically drilled a hole in the bottom to let the water out and just never put the top up. No top.
Order filled.
Oh no, Boba, my guy says he had a shit day trading yesterday, but a good day today though. That's nice.
There you go.
My chat says strawberry blonde, by the way.
I can see that. Just exited a few minutes on a retrace on YM. You're loving that YM. I can't get into it. I gotta do it.
I mean, if I wasn't so busy on ES and NASDAQ, and if I have time for it, gold and options and shit. But
Order filled.
I thought I was in.
I don't know how you trade all these things all at once. Like, it's too much. I like to focus.
So options is easy because you're only making a couple moves all week. And sometimes you're just hanging. It's no big deal. When it comes to this shit, I have multiple screens. Like, I don't know how many screens you got. But
I got 3 screens.
Yeah.
It's never enough.
I mean, that's a lot. I mean, I got 4. But I wish I had 2 more on top.
I mean, I think I could make do with 6. Yeah, my computer doesn't support 6 monitors.
If you weren't streaming, though, you'd have a lot more real estate.
Yeah, I end up just stacking all my streaming stuff.
That's my thing is like, I have the stream up on 1. Wait, Bull Barbie isn't 16? Dude.
I'm not 16.
18.
Can you believe it?
We're going with 18, Ray. I can't get in fucking trouble over here. You're going to get me canceled.
I'm not canceling you.
Dude! Money Viddy just passed a Lucid Flex 50K.
Let's go.
Oh, your motherboard only allows that much? I saw this thing I'm going to buy so I go away in April. And it's basically a thing that you put in your computer bag. And when you pull it out, 2 screens unfold out and plug into your laptop to give you 3 screens.
I do have a travel monitor. It's amazing.
Well, I just
highly
recommend a
recommend.
monitor with me, but that's
I don't. Well, I have a 17-inch travel monitor. I actually do have it on my setup, but I need to move it. I can't even use it where it is. So I will plug that into my other system. But so my original laptop, I just got a new one recently. I've been trading on a 13-inch MacBook with a travel monitor because the travel monitor is the only way I can see my charts. So I do my executions on the 13-inch monitor and watch charts on the 17. Now I've got, I think it's a 15-inch or 15 and a half. So that's a little better I can actually trade on that screen.
They used to make 17s. Hewlett Packard used to make a 17-inch monitor, but I think they discontinued it. And now
I think my travel monitor is a 17.
Yeah, but
it's an Asus. It's a pretty nice one.
Yeah. Somebody might be able to help you out with that, Pamela, by the way. There's a bunch of computer people in here. Ah,
Well, so my Mac Studio has 4 plugs for monitors, so that's what I use.
yeah, that makes appreciate it, Nighthawk. Getting a lot
So
of love.
you got to have a special trading computer to get these 6 monitors, I guess.
Yeah, it's something with the graphics card, is I would assume, or the something with the motherboard or graphics card. I can add more. I have like this Dell business computer I bought that my friend told me about and was like, dude, this is the computer you want, but it was also 5 years ago. So now it's probably outdated. But I do want to get 6. I'm just worried that the radiation popping me all day.
Yeah.
6 freaking
I mean, I
monitors.
can put like my laptops up here too. I could technically have 6 screens, but then I don't have any desk space.
So I don't even have a desk. I'm on a. Do you have Bob's by you? Bob's Furniture.
Bob's?
It's like
No.
a low end furniture place that you go to, like, for like your first home. Like if you're not looking to spend a lot of money, you go to
For me,
Bob's.
that
Or
was Salvation Army, but okay.
no, this is above Salvation Army.
Yeah.
But I have my
We have
old.
IKEA here now. That's what everybody gets.
Yeah, so it's probably like IKEA, maybe one step above. And I have a Bob's kitchen table from my first house I bought that I trade on. So I trade on a kitchen table.
All right.
Yeah. I don't need any draws. I mean, what do you need a draw for? Everything's
Is that
electronic
how you
now.
say drawer?
Draw, draw,
Drawer?
drawer,
I was like, what's a draw?
draw.
You want me to draw a picture?
Yeah. Well, I guess it's spelt the same, right? Draw. I don't know. Now you're all
All right,
dead.
I had to get this pop again. It's like not taking my exit order though. Come on.
Gold has not retraced one bit.
My orb's doing nothing. It's in drawdown.
This thing is just going. We're just chopping here.
Gold's trying to make a little pop out of there. Are you in gold?
Not now. I was actually in the very bottom of. I got on. I think on.
I need to come trade gold with y'all. I need to just get up early before the kids are up and come trade some gold.
Best time for gold is nighttime. Oh man.
Well, I'm driving around, so like after they go to bed would be the best time. You think I can get that like
That's what
evening,
time
or is
we
it too
trade
late?
gold normally. There's a bunch of us
All
that
right.
trade at night. The crazy part is, man, it's kind of messed up, but my wife was really cool about it. I bring my laptop on the couch and we watch TV and I just put my orders in and then all of a
I was
sudden,
thinking about doing that. That's why I got the trading laptop.
yeah. So I got a trading laptop for that. I got it in August. Well, I got it for when I travel to have a good laptop, and then now I trade on it at night.
I'm trading on it right now, so I have it plugged into my network and I remote desktop on it to my Mac on my Mac. So I trade on my trading laptop every day now.
Yeah, it's cool because I watch TV, I hang out, but my orders are in. And like last night, I think I did like $400 in 4 different accounts. So like I wouldn't have done that if I wasn't sitting there. Oh man, this coffee.
Okay, well I got my order that time. Shit, it's gonna keep going. Well, that's all right. My orb's still in it. I exited because we were at the top of a little ES thing and I wanted to take the easy profit, and here she
Always take the money.
blows.
People always ask me like, "Oh, should I take the money?" I'm like, "Bro, if you don't take the money, you're an idiot."
If I have enough position, and I try to always have enough position, then I'll leave that one little runner, but sometimes I just don't. It depends on how I get my stop trailed also, because I want my stop in profit if I'm going to go look for something crazy with that runner.
Yeah, no, I agree. Yo, the MacBooks I heard do much better than all the all the regular Windows.
At what?
I don't know, but like Knob was just saying that he's got a MacBook with half the RAM that does better, and I've heard that from.
Oh, the problem is you can't run like NinjaTrader and shit. So if you run Parallels, it only gives you like 8 gigs of RAM. So I have 128 on my Mac Studio, and I don't even use it for trading. I'm using, well, I kind of am. I have it on my, I have charts over here, like trading
That's a lot
view.
of RAM.
It's a lot. Everyone keeps saying, "Oh, you just don't have enough RAM. You just don't have enough RAM." And it's like, well, that's just, I have 3 computers here with over 200 gigs of RAM. I don't think that's the problem.
Bring in Marie. Another day we'll do it.
Yeah,
We'll set it up.
I'll share with Marie. I can share code with Marie.
Yo.
It'll be a party.
Oh man, MacBook is god awful. I don't know. Everyone that has a Mac loves them.
I love mine. I just for trading, I do like. So I got an Asus something. No, it's an Alienware Aura. It's an Alienware Aura 16.
Ah. I use
something like that.
What is this called? Oh man, I don't even know what this is. Lenovo.
I still got my MacBook. I don't know where my little pink laptop. That's the one that I use a lot, but I don't trade on it.
The one thing I will say about the laptop I got is the keys never stick, so I kind of like that.
Okay, we didn't quite get the highs, but both indexes did that.
Co's
kinda
voice
watching
is
it.
much lower. Would you like me to talk into the microphone like this?
You have to be very official. Where's that radio voice?
Trading works well with that. Dude, who else? I think I missed one person. Mulatto. Oh, people trade on a phone. I don't know. I can't trade on a phone.
No, but I think that might be an age thing too, because like if you're gonna go buy something expensive, you're gonna go do it on the big internet, right?
The most expensive thing I buy is always on my phone.
Because like if you're gonna go buy some crap on Amazon, you do it on your phone. But if you're gonna go think about it, you're gonna go do it on the big internet. And I think it's kind of the same thing. We like trading on the big screen.
Nah, you know what? For me personally, if I'm gonna buy something really expensive, it's gonna be after 10 o'clock. I'm gonna be on the couch. I'm gonna be scrolling, and that's how I bought a boat, 2 cars, two cars, a boat. I bought.
How are you buying cars online? Are you doing like auctions?
I did Carvana.
Oh no, you did Carvana.
So I look for cars that have under 1,000 miles that are basically brand new. And what I try to do is I try to find ones that are like 2 years old, but only 1,000 miles, because then they're probably a demo unit at the dealership or a manager car, and the depreciation is like great, but like the car is brand new. Like I bought my Jeep with 200 miles on it, but it was 2 years old. So instead of paying sticker on my Jeep is 77,000, I bought it for 43. So
That's pretty good.
Yeah, and I just wanted to. The kids wanted me to get it. Honestly, the kids wanted me to get a Jeep for outings at the beach and shit like that.
I am probably gonna buy one for my 14-year-old when she's turning 16.
Right. I used to get super drunk and buy random shit for like a year. That's how I bought a boat. I bought a boat one time off Craigslist because me and my friends, oh man. So we were hanging out, fire pitting, smoking and drinking, and I was hanging out at my friend Rob's couch, and we were sitting there after we were fire pit. Had to be like late. And I was like, bro, we need a boat to fucking go hang out on.
Obviously.
And I bought a 1965 Boston Whaler in Connecticut, and I picked it up the following week. And then I got it. Boston Whalers are good. Nothing can really go wrong. I just had to do a couple cosmetic things. Like I needed to add a cover to it and whatnot. But it was a fun boat. We did a lot of cool fishing and crabbing on it and whatnot. Got a lot of crabs on that boat. And then
I'm watching these highs on the indexes right now too. We're about to sweep them.
NQ's about to take it.
And our ES is right there with it. Let's go. Lots of orders up here too. We'll see if they get through that. I wish I was still in because I don't want to enter right here.
Oh, Barbie, hold on one second. I gotta take something super important.
All right.
I'll be back in literally 2 minutes.
It's okay. I'll entertain the crew. I am still in it technically on my orb, on my little bot. Where do we get the trail? This is why sometimes I'm like, yeah, I didn't diamond hand it, but I have a bot. ES needs 94 3/4. And NASDAQ needs 21.25. All right. Keep pushing. 94 is pretty close. The 15-minute orb is already triggered. Ray, my new buddy Ray. I have it on my screen on my channel. If you want to see, it triggered in the ES and the NASDAQ. So it actually triggered way back, right? I mean, it was right after the first 15 minutes for my 15-minute orb. So I was in drawdown. Not now. The way I do it, I have a bot do it because my attention span, I need to be able to focus on my divergences. I trade a MACD divergence and a cumulative delta divergence and, some other things. And I want to focus on those and let the bot take the mechanical trade. So I just set it up to take whatever risk I have right now because I have it in some new accounts. I have it set to risk up to $300 per trade, but I'm taking 2 trades because I'm taking ES and NASDAQ. Since you can't do that on these big ranges, obviously that's in micros, but easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then I itch to get these things trailed. I mean, I'm not even doing it. The bot does it, but I want to get up to this 94.75 to get the bot trailed to break even because then those accounts aren't going to lose money today. And I like money. Yeah, my crew too is like, we can't trade on the phone. I mean, I love watching guys like Corey the Phone Trader and all that, like, just absolutely slay the day on that. I cannot do that. Oh, this would be such a beautiful place to have a runner. There it is. Yep. Yep. We got over 25,000 on NASDAQ. And I was watching the 90 level on ES. We're over that. We're squeezing. Just me and Cove's chair. What happened to the couch, huh? Thought we had a couch up in here. He is tugging it in the corner. Ray, you should have held from 700. Oh, man. I think if you got in at 700, you already had a nice trade. Come on, trail. It's so close. I need another point. I'm tempted to take this over in this account, but I always let I run it in a sim so I can see exactly what it does per the bot rules. But sometimes I take over in the live accounts, or I have it in an eval too, but let's go. Oh my gosh. Missed me by a hair. The NASDAQ one trailed. ES one has not. Get it. Get it. I need one more tick. One more tick. Just the tick. Just the tick. Just the tick. If you get stuck on like I didn't milk every single point out of every single move, it'll drive yourself crazy and you won't have any fun trading. That's the way I look at it. So my mantra is don't be a dick for a tick. And here it is doing it. And this one, let's see. MES. This one I'm going to take over and trail. Am I not on the right one? Shit. I disconnected the wrong one. There it is. I'm trailing that one manually for sanity. The last tick is always the hardest. Absolutely. Now it's going to trail. I can put it back on an account that's still on the bot. This one's still on the bot. See if it gets trailed. It really is being that guy right now. This tape is too fast here. I don't know. I'm literally watching the ES tape. This isn't too bad. Lots of orders came in at that 92. I'm glad I trailed that now. So this account is playing by the official rules. Maybe this push will do it. NASDAQ's doing nice. It's about to get trailed too. Or wait, NASDAQ already trailed, didn't it? Yeah. So are there any options degens? I know I have some options degens in my chat. I'm wondering if there's options degens in the other chat. Is anybody going to mess with NVIDIA? I may have bought some 200 calls for cheap earlier today. They were under $2. Was 6902 our yearly open? I don't even have that marked. I just been watching 6900 because it's kind of the main level, but since we keep hitting it, it'll end up kind of creating a range on either side. The older and more tired she gets. Sitting on the 595, 615 straddle. Are you playing that just for today, or is that a swing? I think you said that was a swing. There he is.
I'm back. Holy shit. My bad. I'm handling. Guy came back with
Got your real estate transaction?
Yeah, and they want to do a monster cash down with a small seller financing, so they didn't know if we were into it, and obviously I am, so Whew. Fuck. I have to fly down to Florida in like 2 weeks. Oh my god.
Should be warm there though, right?
My bad, peeps. My bad. Personal crap I got to do. But yeah, they know. I mean, I own a business out. I own a manufacturing business outside of this. And what we're doing is we're moving our operations to partners, and then we're selling our building, and we're gonna go into. So before I did this, I was into buying like smaller apartment buildings and rentals, multifamily buildings, and we're gonna go back into doing that. So, oh, my fucking door is open.
Can't let in the riffraff.
Oh my
god! If ES is gonna keep going up, they gotta get above 93.
Don't ever do a Murphy door. I have a Murphy door for my office, but it doesn't have a lock on it.
So They put a barn door on this door or for my office, which is also useless because it has a big gap and you can't lock it. I'm having it changed out for real doors at some point. I think I'm gonna do French doors, something cute, but
I can't. I mean, I don't. I just have a normal door size, but French doors are really nice if you can do it.
well, I don't have a door frame. I just have an opening, so I can do
Oh,
whatever I want.
oh, the room you're in is just open.
Well, they put barn doors on it,
Mm.
and the barn doors suck. They're custom barn doors, but they warped and they suck, and I'm gonna replace them. I'm about to do a whole bunch of work on my house. Like, we'll see if I survive this. I did work outside my house last year, so this year doing work inside.
I've been waiting. So we moved in here in 2019. I redid everything that you could see or touch, and then I was in the house for 3 days, and my kid threw a toy on the floor and made like a gash about, I don't know, 10 inches long, and hold on, they made the gash about 10 inches long, um, but but yeah, and I was like, we're in this house for 3 days. And then I was like, man, they hit my sliding door so hard that it broke the seal. And I was like, man, I'm not redoing shit until my kid gets older. And now that we're getting out of the kid toys, I'm like, all right, I'll start redoing stuff. I'm not I'm not into doing it and having my kid destroy shit. But you have older kids, I'm guessing, than like mine are.
Yeah, they're older now, so they're destructive in other ways, like overflowing sinks or whatever, because they didn't want to tell us that they put a bunch of crap down it.
Yeah.
They still find their ways, but yeah, there's not little toys anywhere.
Yeah, mine are 9 and 7, so I have, I'll step on a Power Ranger and be like, fuck. But yeah, they'll destroy shit and whatnot all the time. I'm out on fixing a lot of stuff. Why didn't this account get copied? Why did this account not get fucking copied at all?
I had my bot is on multiple accounts today. I already took one of them off. It was halfway there, and I'm like, fuck it. This is taking forever, and I don't know. It might come back down to break even. So I'm gonna let one account either do break even or win, and the other account is done.
I mean,
Is up
yeah, if you're up,
enough?
take it. I think Marie used to follow you on that orb thing. It's like an orb, and then your stop is like halfway between the top and the bottom orb, right?
I start with a 1-to-1, just literally 1-to-1 what the range is,
Okay.
and I trail halfway to profit.
Hmm. Yeah. No, she did she'd buy ES when it broke out. Her stop was the middle point of the orb. She'd buy
I
at
don't like
least.
using the middle point because it gets stopped out too often.
Yeah. I tried to back test using Trading View, and their back tester sucks, by the way. Like to see.
Yeah, I actually have a video coming out later today because I was back testing someone else's strategy, and I pointed out how I use it and don't use it. So
Yeah. Oh,
Order
because that
filled.
keeps
I didn't mean
coming
to do
up.
that. I didn't mean to do that.
Order filled.
Did you just enter some shit?
Yeah, on accident. I was I was moving because my chair arm was in my rib, and I was like, I gotta move. And when I did, I clicked the fucking button by mistake.
Uh-huh.
I exited in 2 seconds, but yeah, I need a new chair. My back's starting to hurt me on this one.
I stole these chairs from my office when I shut my office down, my brokerage. Because I had the like air-on chairs. They're real comfy.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I got this net chair shit, and I don't know. I don't know who the hell gave it freaking 5 stars. I'd like to talk to that guy. This is gonna go though. We're flagging here. So
yeah, I want it to go. I'm still in it.
So stochastics are going down and price is not. which leads me to believe that we are going to go to the upside. That's my assumption here.
I mean, I can see us making a new little swing low here. Maybe back down to 68.80 on the ES, 960 on NASDAQ, somewhere where, where that wick is a little bit. But maybe not. It may just be full steam ahead.
What's up, Maria? I sneezed and somehow full ported the account. Oh, man. Let's see what we got. Here.
The NVIDIA options are pumping. I don't know if anyone's feeling very degen-y. They're even up from when I said.
I bet they are. I just want to see this hold this.
It dipped. The 200 calls dipped below $200 earlier, so I was like, okay, I'll try that.
This thing just going to go?
The NVIDIA guy, what's his name? Jensen was on Wall Street Bets AMA.
I mean, you got to assume they're going to have good earnings.
I think they are.
I mean, they're
will the market
chips.
Be into that or not? That's the question.
Somebody in the chat wants me to reset a TPT Pro account and full port it.
Order filled.
Oh, look at this shit. Look at this.
Here it goes.
Oh, here we go. Go! Oh, just pump this thing. Pump it.
It's pumping.
Still, I got it. We did it.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
What are you in? Are you in gold still, or is that NASDAQ?
That was NASDAQ. Just for a
Let's go. You took a little quickie?
Yeah, I'm not. When I'm down in NASDAQ, I go back to just scalping and to get my money back, and then I'll take something else, like a bigger position for a swing. You think I got premature cellulation?
Got you, Rocky.
I don't know. What up, Sovereign? Who do we got in the chat? Golden. Vic is up in here. What up? My bad. Missed some of you guys. Chris, Pamela's here. Eric. PG. Angie's here. You buddy? I don't know who you buddy is, but welcome to the freaking chat. Welcome to the fucking show, man. Who else we got up in here? I love the chat.
Oh. Chat is always the best.
Guys, I am so close to mastering gold and silver. You have no idea.
I've been trying to pay attention to what you're doing on gold and silver. I feel a little behind. I'm going to come cheat off of you and catch up.
Nah, it's a Brian reference. I'm mastering it at the same time, blowing fucking 600 accounts.
I think you are right though. Like I got to carve some evening time out. That's my athlete. Gold. I have to drive her every night.
Where do you drive to every night?
My kid is a gymnast, so she goes to work out every day. She was even Saturday and Sunday this week.
That's commitment.
It's commitment. We've been doing this since she was like 4.
Yeah. Is she going to go to college for it?
She wants to. She's doing prospect camps right now. That's cool. It's like, is she going to go D3 or D1 right now, I think.
I remember doing that I played Division I baseball, and I remember doing all the camps and all the fucking tournaments and all the shit heavy when I was like 15, 6, probably more towards as I started getting into like 16. And yeah, we ran around all types of places. It paid off at the end because I didn't pay for college. So it paid off.
Yeah, right now one of the schools she saw, they can't officially talk to her, but they are kind of coaching her on what to do at Baylor. And I'm like, yeah, if you get a ride to Baylor.
That's awesome. That's a cool school to go to. Yeah. I tell everybody, like, even if you don't go Division I, or say you can't even make Division III, go there and go in if they probably don't have a gymnast, but they have like baseball club teams and basketball club teams. Just get
Yeah,
on
that's
the
what I
team.
did. I did the club swimming team at UT. They have a really amazing swim team. I didn't want that. I didn't even want to try for that level of stuff. So I just did their club swim team.
Yep.
It was
And then you
awesome.
got friends.
Yeah. And I got exercise. So I was a soccer player, but I got injured. I was supposed to go do walk-on tryouts, and at the end of the day, I was like, I want to have my weekends. I've been battling injuries for like 2 years. I'm done. And so then I did the club swimming team instead, and that was a good fit.
Yeah,
I
it's
liked it.
rough because I remember like our practices were like you woke up, it was like an hour of cardio in the morning, then it was like 45 minutes in the gym,
Yeah,
and then you
my
went to
friends had weekends, and I wanted to see what that was like.
yeah, no, there was your weekend, my weekends from January on were taken by baseball, but in the fall, you're basically 3 hours to 4 hours of practice. You're with them for like 5 hours a day, 6 hours a day, just doing shit.
Yeah.
My stochastics on my chart with different. No, it's the same. Stochastics on here are the normal stochastics. 1433. Yeah, everything hurt. Yeah, I stopped when I was done college baseball my senior year. I stopped going to the gym for 1 year. It was the first time in my life I stopped going to the gym. I went from like a solid 200 pounds to like a really not the best looking 220 pounds. And I was like, after about a year, my body felt better. And I was like, I got to get back into the gym.
That's part of why I did the swim team thing. I knew I couldn't go from playing every weekend to nothing.
Yeah, I did. It was nice. I was eating cheesesteaks and Applebee's and Outback. And I was like, not going to the gym. I wasn't running. Like, because you're doing about 5 hours of exercise a day. So you can eat whatever you want. And then I got into, I wasn't. I went to a grad program. And, yeah, I have a master's in accounting, which obviously I used for 3 months of my entire life.
It's math. You're doing numbers here too.
I mean, it helps more when
I'm
you're
trying to make
looking
you
at
feel better.
companies for like investing purposes, probably more than anything. I got you, Maria.
That's okay. I got a pre-law degree, so.
Oh, that's interesting. Did it help you with real estate? Probably. Were you like the female Sirhan, but too soon?
I don't know.
Do you watch like Sirhan? Sell like Sirhan?
I mean, I did a lot of luxury, but I never I never cared about being the best. I just wanted to make money. Like he wants to be the best, and that was what kind of hit me at the end. Is like I don't give a shit about this. Why am I doing this?
Oh, yeah.
But I knew how to do it, and I knew how to make money at it. Like I mean, I started working while I was still in college. I bought my first house while I was still in college, and I renovated it and all kinds of stuff. So I mean, I wanted to make money.
No, I'm with you.
But at a point is like so when you're
field.
dealing with people, you could deal with the most wonderful people in the world, but when they're moving and dealing with their wealth, like the big bulk of their wealth, people get crabby. Even the very best people get crabby. So you get a not nice person in that situation. It's terrible, and then you're like married to them for 6 months.
Yeah.
So.
I had a really cool real estate agent when I was heavy into it. I found a real estate agent. She was super nice. Did not do a lot of volume at all, and she was a little bit older than me, and she wasn't doing much. Like she had her own like little thing, and I was just super loyal to her. No matter what anybody said, I was always super loyal to her. She got all my rentals. She did everything, and
Nice.
it was a great relationship for many years. And now my dad uses her, and my brothers use her, and I think that was a great way to go about it. Was finding somebody that really enjoyed your business rather than you were just like, oh, I work at Douglas Elliman and you're just one of my.
Yeah, that's why I started my own brokerage too. It was boutique and it was all service based because what I ended up working for was a lot of people who valued privacy. So they wanted to buy houses that had never been on the internet before and stuff. That's a whole different challenge. But I got really good at that. I got really good at finding things that were not on the market. And sometimes I would just ask people if I could sell their house. Like I got somebody,
Order
can I
filled.
sell this to them? And it worked. So I got a reputation for doing that kind of stuff. So that's why I ended up in the ultra high end. I didn't have to do very many transactions. You sell a $5 million house, like you're good. You can take a few months off.
Yeah.
But it's so stressful. Plus, I always feel like the liability with it being my company is like, this is all on my ass if I screw up. And it's just too stressful.
Yeah. It's definitely I got out of this. It wasn't pushing, and I feel like they're gonna pop it. No, I'm with you though. I definitely could see that. Oh my god.
Zoe, I'm not sure which you're talking about. So I was scalping the longs earlier. So that was a long time ago that I was scalping the longs. That was the very, very beginning of market open. What I have up now is my bot, and my bot takes the opening range breaks. So-
Meth. Yo, you can't hear me, Mulatto? Anybody can't hear me?
I can hear you.
I know. I don't know. Yo, that thing on your computer. Let's see if this fixes it. Yo, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
My chat hears you.
I'm just messing around with him. I'm sure he's got to be able to hear me. Right. You know what happens? All of a sudden he's like, oh, my volume was off. My bad. DOJ has shut down all investigating into Epstein, says main reason is he was an intelligence asset. Did that just come out? No.
I've heard shit like that.
Oh, he is. You didn't know that? Oh, here's the fucking
Well,
shit.
I mean, I don't believe anything, but I have heard shit like that.
So here it is again. 89 is the trigger. So basically, the word that I heard from many different people that don't know each other is that he basically was an Israeli government guy that was here as a quote unquote like financier, and his job was just to mingle with upper echelon of people to become friends and video them doing things they shouldn't be doing and whatnot. And if you need help, you know, you reach out to these guys and, you know, their assets.
It's pretty weird.
Nancy Mace just.
But now that's become the new thing is like we say all these different people are assets. They can't all be assets.
I mean, it makes sense though.
It does, but we just got to get to the bottom of some of this shit.
I just love
the emails I saw from the guy I sold lots of property to were not real flattering.
Nah, I mean, you got to remember though, like they're reading people's personal emails and text messages. Like, I'm sure if we went through everybody.
Yeah, but it's like, can I get a piece of tail for this exchange kind of thing? You know.
Yeah.
He's like, if I bring my biohacking stuff, you got an upgraded model for me, or?
Yeah. But like, I'm not saying that's all right, but like, if somebody went through your group messages, mostly guys.
I was thinking about that. I was like, because you could take shit out of context so easily.
Yeah. I mean, cannibalism. Isn't that guy Army Hammer was into that?
The cannibalism stuff that I've seen is pretty fucked up.
I didn't see that. You're gonna make me go.
But some of it's like they'll take a picture that out of context, and I was like, well, I don't know about that.
Order
but then
filled.
You see
Order
some
filled.
other stuff that's like, yeah, I kind of do think that.
Order filled.
Fuck yes.
Order filled.
Boy, I'm gonna ride this one.
What'd you do? You go short?
Yeah, for.
I'm moving the stops up on my other bot account here. I'm trying so hard not to be intervening, but I mean,
See, it's going to bounce off the 50 right here and probably stop me out. If we can get under the 50, under 67, under 67, we fucking party. Yeah.
That's where the zone is.
Nah, look, it bounce. I play that bounce a lot off 50. So that's why you're bouncing off the 50. Stochastics are way oversold on the 1 minute.
The 50 EMA?
Yeah. And you're way oversold. It kind of was like a recipe. I should have just flipped around and got it from the other side also. But
Get it from both sides?
yeah, we call it the Eiffel Tower trade.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I didn't want to go. I wasn't going to say it with you on here, but yeah, we Eiffel Tower the NQ. Yeah.
You Eiffel Towered the NQ. All right.
Yeah, when you get it to the downside, or you get it one side, and then all of a sudden you flip the other and get it again. Yeah.
That's funny. I like that.
Hey, two of my favorite traders. What up, Diamond? See,
Hey there, Diamond. Do I know Diamond? I'm gonna stalk Diamond. I'm gonna go look at that profile.
See, like, I just wait for gold. I am not into like chasing gold, or I don't play, oh, it looks like it's gonna go up, oh, we're breaking out. I don't play any of that shit. I only just play when we pull back into the fib zone. And that's it.
Do you have a favorite fib zone? Are you watching the golden pocket or
Just golden pocket all day. And then sometimes I'll look for bias. You know, I don't really short a ton, but for argument's sake, like if you took this whole move that we just had, I mean, you would have gotten short and you could have easily gotten, I don't know, $6-7 on freaking gold to the downside. But you know, my bias is to the upside. Obviously, we're trending up, so I'm only going to play the pullbacks. My charts get all just fibbed out.
everyone keeps trying to convince me that we're trending down every day?
Oh.
You know, we've
What,
been trending both ways at some both ways at some
NQ
point.
or gold?
Well, I guess NQ
Oh.
to index this. I don't know. Gold too, though. Gold is like at all-time highs. Everybody's freaking out that it's dumping. It's still over 5,000. Relax.
Every time someone wants to short the NQ, I'm just like, are you betting against America?
Cope's like, or Cartoon's like, what is going on with this combo? Taking it from both sides, ate some bad meat.
Yo, ate bad meat.
All of this.
Yeah, bad meat last night. See, my
Cartoon's
stomach-
getting the crash course in Cove Trader.
I was literally like, oh my God. That's what I tell people. Your girl might let you down because her stomach hurts. Cove Stream will not. Just remember that. Oh, man.
Oh, I have to go soon because I have my other obligations.
Yeah, all good.
At least for the week. We'll see.
I tried to get a copy of the one that was deleted, but never did. I thought it was freaking. I was like, I can't wait to see it again. I was like, but how is it over there, anyways? You guys making money?
We'll see.
You guys winning? I don't watch because I stream until 12, and then every once in a while. That's why I'll hop over every once in a while after while I'm eating and say what's
Yeah,
up.
I'm not good at trolling all the streams while I'm streaming. If I'm already trading and streaming, that's max brain use there.
Yeah. I'm definitely not popping on anything else.
You're not gonna hop on too much at once.
Yeah. You know, like, listen, at the end of the day, like, you know, trading is making you money. So, like, me just popping on another stream while I'm streaming, like, now I'm streaming in here, and then I'm like, it's just too much it's too much. I focus on the trading. Like, sometimes I don't even answer the chat because I'm so into trading. Like, then on another stream would just be like crazy.
Yeah, it is a lot of windows
Yeah.
to be watching all at once.
Oh my God.
But yeah, I gotta go have my morning. Exactly, I gotta go have my morning snack before I go do my next stream.
All good.
But I hope we keep killing it. I'm just gonna let this bot keep going. Maybe I'll catch a reversal up here at some point. We'll
What are
see.
you long? Yes.
I'm still long, but well, my bot is still long. I did exit on one of my accounts, and then another account I'm trailing manually. But I'm hoping I can get one of them all the way up to the full profit,
Holy shit.
which is still a ways away.
It's
So
going.
on Nasdaq it's 25,129, and then on ES it's 916.17 or 75.
I mean, this is
So
looking
I
good.
mean, it's going to be a game of patience. So that's why I went ahead and took one that I was nervous about off, and then the other one that has a little bit more room, I'm going to let it go.
That 50 bounce. Look at that. Perfect.
Yep.
I should have.
It's making a nice little trend line right now too. But cool hanging with you today.
Yeah, I always have fun hanging out with you.
We'll do it
Always.
again. Maybe we'll get the group sesh going one of these days. I won't have to kick your other crew out.
Yep. Always. Yeah, I'm always like, I'm always free at lunchtime for whatever you got going on. That's like the time I got extra time. Because I come back at like 2 p.m. I eat, stretch, do whatever. I got personal stuff I do, and then I come back at like 2 o'clock, and so yeah, I always have.
You're a
time.
streaming maniac, I know.
You know what it is? I'm trading, so I'm here anyways. So it's like,
Yeah, I really only trade the morning session. I might have some bots going later, but
yeah,
that's
I'm
my
doing
jam.
it anyway. So you might as well have fun, and I shoot the shit with everybody in the chat and whatnot. Yeah, it's up to Barbie. I'll
Well,
talk
we'll
to
see
her.
you again soon.
I'll slide in her DMs and I'll let you guys know.
Yeah, we'll slide on it there. See ya.
All right, see you later. Oh man, it's just Bull Barbie, Pamela. Bull Barbie. It'll pop up. I got icing all over my hands. Oh my god. Oh man. I'm hanging around till 12, just so you guys know. I'm not going anywhere. The show goes on. I don't even want to touch my thing yet. What you doing? Nothing. Nah, I ain't leaving, caveman. I'm here until noon. I'm here till noon. I'm gonna be. Load her up. Thank you. What's up, AD? Yo, how you been? Yo, we didn't act like animals. I know. We acted kind of normal today. See, that was more like a PG stream. You know? What, you haven't got hit with snow? Dude, I just got like 18 inches last night or 2 nights ago. Yo, we're getting more snow on Thursday and then another winter storm. Another winter storm on Monday, I think. Yo, I took all 18 CT. All 18. I had to. I was like, for the stream. Oh man. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, NQ's not doing much of anything. I am going to play this gold, though. At 57-ish. Is that really where VWAP is? It is not, but I will, you know what I'm going to do? Don't follow this. Do not follow this. This is an account that's down because I did stupid shit, and I'm about to do more stupid shit right now.
Order filled.
Come on. Bounce it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Give me like freaking a gazillion dollars.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. I just got, I think I got like a hundy. I don't know what I got. Fucking, I made money because this was at 13,000 something down. So just scalping freaking gold, baby. Oh, I should have held it. No. I think it just missed my fucking buy on this account. I don't get why this one's not being copy traded. Now it's being copy traded. Heck, I don't heal from waking up. What? Getting your wisdom teeth taken out with a bone graft. What? Dude, that sounds so painful, man. How painful was that? Dude, that's rough. I should have had a mama bull Barbie. Yeah, it was like the first time doing it like this, so I just was separating it. But I could definitely do it in the future. I didn't really talk to Barbie about it prior. So Sean has his own fan club in here, CT. Have you seen his fan club? Yo, how long until you're gonna be how long till you're like all healed up? What'd they tell you? Bro, these dudes are on him. They're fucking. It's his first little trolls. He's like, obviously, you know, it's his own like little fan club.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That was a good one. 40, 47, 44. 47, 44. Just getting my orders in. Yo, CT, have you been converted to gold yet? Yo, have they converted you to gold yet or no? You got bag surgeon's dentist? What? It will stop hurting, but yes, the feeling will stay. I did it at 23, split it in 12 pieces. Oh, 2 weeks before you get feeling in what? Where do you get feeling back in your mouth or your face? Like where's it go? Oh, look at this shit. I am fucking out on. Oh man,
Order filled.
bro, that was a solid ass trade. Now I got to turn this account fucking green again. Yo, I converted Sean and Marie, and we were crushing it. And then Apex stopped using gold. I was kind of annoyed about it. They're like, no gold for you, and I was like, no. No gold for you. Jeez, pool boy said nope. Oh man. Oh, bro. Yo, how's everything else going though, man? You're back. CT, everything's good. You liking life? Did you end up doing your thing take off or what? I think of your face in a square of 4 pieces, depending on where he got his anesthesia. Can my wife get anesthesia on her jaw? Let me see this. Hold on. I'm just messing. Oh, that's good, man. That's awesome. That's good to hear. I thought of you like 3 weeks ago. Some guy hit me up that has a oh, what is it? What do they call it? What do you call it? Why can't I think of it? It's not CPL. Bro, what is it called? Was it C? Oh man, why can't I fucking? Why can't I think of it now? Three, three CPL. Is that what it? Oh, I can't think of the name. I can't think of it. Yeah, C3PL. 3PL. That's what he called it. 3PL. Dude, I don't know why I couldn't fucking think of it. I couldn't think of it. Freaking bugging me. Bugging me. I couldn't get. I'm getting 2 more Apex counts. Fuck me. I'm fighting for a payout. How close? Wait. We need to root for you, Maria. How close are you to a payout? How close are you? We need to root for you. No pressure, but we want to root for you. How close are you to getting the payout? I want you to get paid so bad. Oh, I need to answer my fucking emails. I'm going to bring up my email right now, actually. Ooh. Yo, AD, he got paid. Received it today. I have 3 funded accounts with them. You're like halfway there, Maria. Hey, many people getting the chance to get back to Canada today via WestJet and Air Canada from Mexico. That's good. No, Maria, no. Oh. No. I'm telling you, gold just is so much easier. Oh. I got to get with oh. I'm just freaking hitting up. I can't keep fucking track of some shit. Oh, all right. Maria, I got you, Maria. Hold on. Dude, I'm trying to sort this out. Maria, I got you during lunch today. Yo, Cove, are there restrictions for gold and silver on Lucid? No. Apex hasn't changed it. But, on Lucid, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Yeah, but I keep forgetting because I'm freaking so bad at this stuff. Oh my god. I don't know if I could play this. Oh man. But yeah, I just keep forgetting. You know why? I got the snow day. All my kids are off. My wife's off. It's like I'm so bad at following up on this stuff. But I go in and I just do a clean swoop of all of them at once. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm waiting for gold to come down. Man, this fucking NQ.
Order filled.
Come on. I actually wanted to take one off right at this fucking this imbalance, and then let
Order filled. Order filled.
come on. Push it, baby. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. Come on. No. 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 It just crushed my hopes and dreams right there. All my TPT profits from Asia? No. I'll go through it right now. I banged right here for $252 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. I should just add this thing. What is it? You go to charts. I hit right here. That was the only trade I took in this TPT account today. It was for $252 in 4 different accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need to make a lot of trades. You know, I could take one trade and, essentially be done for the day. I mean, when you start chasing shit and you're doing things just to do it, that's when you start losing money. I have to take a shot in gold, by the way. I kind of don't want to play this. I'm trying to do my math.
Order filled.
Hold on one second. I'm just trying to do something real fast. I just want to look at something real quick. I guess if you went so I'm going to keep that so fucking tight. I mean, just wait for just wait for good setups. You got to remember, every loss you take, you got to make. It's not just like, oh, the loss doesn't matter. Look how I got 8 wins. If you have 8 wins and 8 losses, you're even. I'm just looking. So every $10 is 200 bucks. So I'm gonna need us to come down here. Yo, I got my EMT indicator. Dude, that guy never came back, by the way. Dude, that guy never came back. He was like, I'm out. I'm out. Yo, what up, Charlie? This shit's not gonna pop it.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm keeping my fucking. I need a really good fucking dip. And I'm just gonna hold in this account. They only give you 2 micros, so it kind of sucks. Pamela, another 300 green on YM. Up 824 on the day, just on a single contract of trading. Goes to show you don't need to have big size. You're about to get on the boat? I'm on a boat. Yo, there you go, Tim. Look, one long trade MNQ, 140 bucks. That's it. You don't need to do a lot. This is the fucking line, though. Under 158.
Order filled.
I'm just going to hold it. Fuck it. I'm not even going to look at this, by the way. So this is why you need multiple accounts, because I think I'm playing that long term, and I think I can get just some quick fucking bounces in this zone. This is a bounce spot right here, by the way. This is the fib from here to here, but I think we're going to sell through that, and I want to hit this one. Dude, you can make a ton of money. Trump talking? What up, Wicked? Yo, what's Trump talking about? What's he saying? Morning, Neo. I could hear it. I hear it on my computer.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
Man, I should have taken that, but I don't think it's that big of a bounce. I think we're just gonna plummet here. How much do you look at the hourly for levels? I mean, the levels I'm looking at, like I'm looking at the level down here. This is obviously an hourly bottom. I just don't, I'm not on the hourly chart, but I kind of, in my head, obviously know that this is an hourly bottom. The next hour, this is the hourly top. You know, I just kind of know, but it's not like a big deal to me. I'm just looking for top and bottom of moves more than anything. Oh man, NQ broke that. Is that fucking gold that just dropped like that?
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. I just took $50. I'm just trying to make it back. If this bounces a little bit more, I'm gonna reshort this. Bounce it a little bit more. Bounce it. Dude, it was good. I wanted to bounce a little bit more. I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna get back in. Fuck it. Fuck it. 46 is 200. I think if I get to 38, I lock in a payout. I think I lock in a payout. That'd be the second payout in the same account.
Order filled.
Whoa. There you go. Yo, I'm in jail. It's complicated. Well, that's why I don't buy all of them and I leg into the position. Because if it doesn't go your way, I can just. I still think it dumps. I still think it dumps. NQ is looking like it wants to give it up. Super weak up here. So the line in the sand, the Marie line in the sand is 965. If you have a 1 minute close under 965, man, that's like it's like an 85 point stop, and you're looking for 803. Marie, if you're in here, are you taking this? Are you gonna take this?
Order filled.
Man, gold just did not fucking react to that. I'm watching. You know what I just realized? Oh no. I think this is going to hit. Now, do you buy early? Man, buying early would be. See, if you buy early, you're kind of saving yourself. Like 35 points.
Order filled. Order filled.
Do not do this. I'm just going to take. If you think it's going down, I don't know. No risk, no Rari. It was worth it. Fucking gold, man. Yo, that's crazy. And this is why I don't play like on gold. I really don't play a lot of like patterns because it's just kind of like whatever. And why I only play pullbacks. I still think this NQ works its way down. Yeah, you got Nvidia earnings. Oh man, when are Nvidia earnings? I think. So Nvidia is tomorrow. I'm just telling you, I am gonna risk at least 3 Apex accounts to pass them on Nvidia earnings. Just an FYI. I am definitely going to do that. Just throwing.
Order filled.
What time is NVIDIA earnings? It's tomorrow at 4:20, I think. Barbie is gone, Teds. You missed her. She left. She said, "Tell Teds I said hello." And then she left. She'll be back. I talk to Barbie all the time. Barbie's really cool.
Order filled.
Motherfucker. But yeah. She'll be back. It seems like everyone liked her. Come on. I will do my best. I'm sure she messages me all the time. It's my fault she wasn't on earlier. She asked to come on last week, but I was away and whatnot. But dude, this NQ, if this NQ stops me out here from just chopping, I am done in the chop. And I will just wait until I get my close under 65. And Marie is telling me, I told you to wait. I told you to wait. Marie is telling me, I told you right now. In my DMs, she just sent me a message that says, I told you to wait. She said, next time you listen, dummy. Dude, that's what she wrote to me. Next time you listen, dummy. I was like, whoa. What's the play on gold? I just put my order in. Dude, I got this squeeze ball. Oh my God. Bro. This squeeze ball just splooged all over my fucking hand. Full port it. Oh, come on. Get my order and then go to the moon. You got that grip? Come on, baby. I can't believe I got stopped out of gold. I mean, I wasn't going to hold all that. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, it's just. What the fuck is that?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't like this that much because we were just at this level, to be honest. I'm actually going to stop out here I don't love this one as much. Just being honest. I'm probably out with a small. If I get a small gain, I'm fucking out. I should just take this, the fucking small loss. Yeah. I'm going to explain why I don't like this in 2 seconds. Just fucking push it. So the reason I don't like it that much is we kind of just bounced here. So if you're getting a trend down, we're obviously going to go lower than this. Oh, I should have just taken a fucking loss. Should have just taken the loss. What up, Harris?
Order filled.
I basically just got out even almost. Fuck that. Hey, man. Sometimes you got to pull the ripcord. So the reason why I didn't like this that much, I'll show you on my chart. We already kind of bounced when I burnt this one. This was the area that we were supposed to bounce. And it obviously wouldn't have stopped me out because we didn't hit the 0 line. My stop would have been like right here, and we're kind of bouncing in the same fucking spot. I think they're going to take these lows out, come down, and then back. Especially how we're getting lower highs. I think we're going to take these lows out. Yeah, see, look, I was right. Look at that shit. If I didn't get that, bro, if I didn't fucking get that, yo, are you fucking kidding me with that? Are you? I just moved up just 3. They missed me by 3 ticks. Yeah, I mean, listen, sometimes you just got to know when you're getting, when it's not right. See, now I feel like if they break this low, it's going to go a little bit more. So I'll move down a couple ticks. Push it. Yo, it never exited me out in these other positions. What the fuck? Holy fuck, dude. Yo, I never got exited out. Is that like that everywhere? Oh my fuck?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, that's so fucked. Yo, that's crazy that they didn't exit me out. Dude, what the fuck just happened? Maybe that's what happened to me. This is the lead account. Oh, that's gross that just happened to me. Dude, that sucks. Oh, and it's bouncing. I didn't even see that I was still in. Dude, that's... I got my orders. Unbelievable. Yeah, I would have gotten all my money back. Fuck. I wasn't about to hold that though. That's crazy. You're lagging that much? Yeah, it's about time for food for me too. That sucks. I can't believe that shit. And it's just a copy trader error. That copy trader error cost me $350. Yeah, don't risk it. I'm going to get some food. I'm leaving these orders in and we'll see what happens, but I'm going to get some food. I will be back at 2 o'clock. All right. It was a good stream. Enjoyed everybody. And I got to go eat. Peace.